in right now.
Families being taken down to or asked if they would like a place just to hang out for a while. Could be a long night, obviously, for those residents. Would be at Eagle Christian Church, which is down on State Street, just a few miles south of the location where the fire is.
All right, Eric Fink, we're told, has gotten his live interview. Eric, what do you have for us?
Yeah, Michelle, I'm standing by right here with Neville Humphreys. He's the division chief for Eagle Fire. Neville, we just heard 500 acres now burning. Ada, Jim, Canyon counties, as well as the BLM. What's the very latest you can tell us here?
Right now, they say it's at 500 acres. On the initial onset of the fire, there was 30 structures that were threatened. They evacuated those homes. They were trying to keep the fire east of Highway 16 and south of Chaparral. At this time, there's been 2 or 3 more strike teams, which is either structural engines or brush engines that have gone up there to do structure protection or fight the grass head on.
In just the last 15 minutes we've been out here, Neville, we've heard no less than 2 dozen vehicles come our way. What's the greatest concern for you guys right now?
The number one concern right now is to let the public know to stay away from Highway 16. It's closed indefinitely until we have confirmation from command that the fire is contained and will be out. But until that time, please have all the public stay away from Highway 16.
Can you tell us if any structures are on fire at this very moment?
No, that's unknown.
Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Neville Humphreys with the Eagle Fire Department. Again, 3 county fire departments on this. BLM crews are on it. Again, we've seen no less than 2 dozen vehicles just in the last 20 minutes come through this way en route to fighting this fire. We're live tonight just off Highway 16. Eric Fink, Today 6 on your side. Don, Michelle, let's go back to you.
All right, Eric, we appreciate your hard work out there. Obviously, if you want to get your perspective on the air, if you have pictures to share with us, I'm on Twitter at this moment. I want to bring this one up from Mike. Smoky skies filling the area around